3. Sig ost.
Ost.
I think I made 140 films, at least. And I started in 1956. I went to the theater school, and then I was very nice looking, laughing a lot, and a very nice person. So of course everybody thinks that, oh, that's a smiling girl, and she's nice, and it's a long time ago. So yeah, it was very natural for me to make a lot of film like princesses and castles, and you know, not reality film. It was adventure film. And then suddenly I grow older, and the case and the form of acting becomes very, very different from when I was young. For me, there's two sorts of actors: personality actors and character actors, and I'm the last one. So I don't care about myself. I care about the part, the story, whatever it is, bad or evil or nice or clever or stupid or anything. I think the story is a basic for a good film. And I like the camera very much. I like the lighting. I like the sound. I like to know how the camera is going to tell the story. Where is it in that? Yeah, that's very interesting. I'm never leaving the set before the part is over.
Okay.
I'm not going away. Nothing is easy. I've never, it's never occurred to me that my work is easy. I don't like it if it's easy. Well, I mean, it's brain working, you know. Hard as a stone, and for the brain and the heart and your feelings, maybe, but not the private, the character's feeling. So there's no easy way of going. I don't think that he is peculiar. He is he. He is Lars von Trier.
Yes.
And I like the way he is strange, and
Yes.
but you are strange. I'm strange, and nice, and awful, and wonderful. So I mean, Lars von Trier, that's the same. I like him very much. I think he's so funny, and we get along very good. And of course, I'm doing silly things, and he's doing silly things. I mean, we are human beings, so. I like Bille August very much. He is a wonderful leader for the crew. He is very silent and very full of secrets. He's not demanding anything. He's listening, looking, coming up to you, tell little stories about, yeah, maybe a little more of this, and couldn't we try? It's very, very silent and very small things. We have talked, of course, before we are going to shoot, but when he is working, I like the freedom he gives me.
Nå, det var jeg var så bange. Jamen, jeg var så bange.
I could never do, I think, what my character in the film are doing. I don't think I have the courage. I have the hope of life all the time. So I'm not sure that I could do a thing like her. But I have not this awful disease. So I don't know. Really, I don't know. I haven't an answer. We've talked about Bille August. You mentioned Ingmar Bergman. I worked with him. He was my very good friend. Lars von Trier I know very well, and I work with and like very much. He's a very funny man. Special. I like him. I like the way he's looking with his camera. I think it's very interesting. Then I've made a film. It will come in the winter in Denmark. It's going in the world now on festivals. And there's a young director called Michael Nord, and he's a very good film director too. And we made a wonderful film about Alzheimer and demence. So I'm working on the sickness. Yeah, but I think that the new film I'm talking about Alzheimer and demence, it is in a way a love story. And if you can look at these awful diseases in a light way, in a sort of humoristic way, of course the tragedy is there as the bottom, but there's always hope, I think, in people.